Feng Shui frequently employs the concept of auspiciousness, referring to the occurrence of fortune and favorable events. Your home can be a space for this auspiciousness, not just limited to Feng Shui's theoretical orientations towards specific directions or alignments, but extending to the management of the spaces and your attitude inside those spaces. Remember that your actions can make the auspicious energy flow into your home, or they can block the auspicious energy from coming into your home. Today, we will discuss what you can do to improve your financial luck by carefully considering your actions in your kitchen. But before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. Also, if you haven't watched my previous video on kitchen Feng Shui, please watch it to gain more insight on how to arrange and design your kitchen and appliances. Now, let's delve into the tips on what to do in your kitchen. First, use your cooktops daily. Whether it's a gas stove or induction cooktop, use it daily, even if it is to simply boil some water. This is easy enough to do, but this simple action works to draw in warmth and living energy into the household. This is because the main heating appliance of the kitchen is the modern-day equivalent of the hearth. Hearth has been the place that provides warmth and sustenance since the ancient times. So this tip is not just about making sure the cooking appliances are in working order, but to create warmth by going through the ritual of using the cooking appliance, even if it is just to reheat prepackaged food or to boil water. Many people may feel they don't have time to cook food every day, but even for them, boiling water takes minimal effort but can yield significant results. It makes the energy of the kitchen to circulate rather than go stale and cold. And the kitchen being the place that represents financial fortune for the family, you would want to make sure the kitchen's energy flows to attract wealth. Second, your dining chairs. Some of you may occasionally leave your sweaters or coats on the back of your dining chairs. I see this, especially if you live alone and have a small house. You may also find yourselves leaving it on the chain after coming back home after a long day's work and simply forget to move it. However, there are designated spaces for these clothes. Ensuring adherence to these spaces within your household is vital. Just as we build trust through human agreements, accumulating positive energy within our homes through adherence to these agreements is essential. While it might be convenient to briefly hang clothes on dining chairs, continuously doing so is not advisable. It's akin to using your home gym equipment as a laundry drying rack. When the items are not being used their intended purposes, the energy of the space becomes disoriented and cannot properly flow. Third, let's address leftovers or unused food ingredients. After enjoying a meal, properly store any leftovers in the fridge or designated kitchen area for future consumption. Bringing them back to the dining table when you're ready to eat again is ideal. The dining area symbolizes the act of eating, while leftover food represents preservation after consumption. Therefore, if you don't intend to consume the leftover food immediately, it's advisable to store it elsewhere. Fourth, the dining table. The dining table should not be pushed against the wall. It is tempting to push the dining table against the wall, especially if your house is small and you live alone. But despite being seemingly invisible, there's a continuous flow of energy within our spaces. Even in narrow spaces or with just one object, the same principle applies. As the dining table represents the dining area in our homes, it extends beyond mere furniture placement to the circulation of energy within your space. Therefore, it's preferable to keep a slight distance from the walls within the range you can manage to allow energy circulation. 5. Sitting positions. Another point I'd like to address is sitting at the corners of tables. Many individuals unconsciously sit at the corners. In Feng Shui, one of the least favored positions is a corner directly opposite to a building. This creates negative energy flow. The same applies to dining table. Even during short duration of having a meal, avoiding sitting at the corners of your dining table. If space is limited, opt for another seating arrangement or see if can take the seat away from the corner without breaking social grace. So today, we looked at 5 simple action points you should keep in mind in relation to your kitchen. Practice these small steps, and you will start noticing a gradual improvement in the mood and air of your kitchen, which will in turn improve your financial energy flow. Please like this video if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. And please subscribe to receive regular Feng Shui tips. It really helps small channel like us. We wish your home a happy and prosperous energy flow.